Welcome to today's maths lesson.
Today we're going to explore an essential concept in mathematics, place value. This video is designed for students learning foundational maths to help you grasp how the position of a digit in a number determines its value. By the end, you'll be able to confidently identify the place value of any digit, which is crucial for all future mathematical operations. So what exactly is place value? It's the value of each digit in a number based on its position. For example, in the number 235, the 2 doesn't just mean 2. It means 200 because of its place. Why is understanding place value so important? It's the foundation for all arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Without it, numbers would just be a string of digits with no real meaning. It helps us understand the true quantity a number represents. Let's start with the basics: units, tens, and hundreds. These are the building blocks of understanding larger numbers. The units place, also known as the ones place, is the rightmost digit in a whole number. It represents individual items. For example, in the number 7, the 7 is in the units place, meaning 7 single items. Next, we have the tens place. This digit represents groups of 10. In the number 40, the 4 is in the tens place, meaning 4 groups of 10 or 40. In 47, the 4 still means 40, and the 7 means 7 units. Moving on to the hundreds place, this digit represents groups of 100. In the number 347, the 3 is in the hundreds place, meaning 3 groups of 100 or 300. The 4 means 40, and the 7 means 7. Once you understand units, tens, and hundreds, you can easily extend this concept to larger numbers like thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and even millions. The thousands place is the next position to the left of the hundreds place. It represents groups of 1,000. In the number 5,283, the 5 is in the thousands place, representing 5,000. The 2 is in the hundreds place, the 8 in the tens, and the 3 in the units. The pattern continues. Each place to the left is 10 times greater than the place to its right. This system allows us to represent infinitely large numbers using just 10 digits, 0 through 9. Let's do a quick activity to check your understanding. Look at the number on the screen. Can you identify the place value of the highlighted digit? Now it's your turn. Here are a few practice questions. Pause the video and try to identify the place value of the highlighted digit in each number. Take your time and remember what we've learned. Let's quickly review the answers. For the first number, the highlighted digit was in the tens place. For the second, it was in the hundreds place. And for the third, it was in the thousands place. How did you do? Great job today. You've taken a significant step in understanding place value. Remember, place value isn't just a concept in itself. It's the bedrock for all your future mathematical learning, from basic arithmetic to more complex algebra. It helps us truly understand the magnitude of numbers. Keep practicing, keep asking questions, and keep exploring the wonderful world of numbers. The more you work with place value, the more natural it will become. See you in the next lesson.